Let's begin by connecting your Kartra account to your WebinarJam or EverWebinar account. This allows you to tag and add people to your list from your WebinarJam account to Kartra. To do this, you'll need your Kartra's API key and password. These can be located under Settings Integrations API. It's crucial to keep your API key and password confidential and secure at all times. Next, navigate to your WebinarJam account. Here, go to Profile Integrations and select Kartra to integrate your Kartra account with WebinarJam or EverWebinar. Input your API key and password and click on Connect. A connected message should appear, confirming that your Kartra account is now integrated with your WebinarJam account. Now, let's set up tags and lists for your existing webinar. Edit your webinar, navigate to the Integration tab, select the Email Autoresponder Integration heading, and choose Kartra. Here, you can set up tags and lists from your Kartra account to tag people based on their attendee or registration behavior. You can tag when someone attends a webinar, misses the webinar, watches the replay, or purchases your product, among other conditions. For instance, let's set up the register rule. We want to tell the system that if someone registers for a webinar, they should be assigned the tag WebinarJam. Click on Create Integration Rule and then click on OK, followed by Save. Congratulations! You have now connected this webinar to your Kartra account. Information about the tags and lists attached to a lead profile can be found under the Contacts, All Contacts section of your Kartra account. You have two options to view this information. You can either scroll to the right and observe the list and tags assigned to an individual. For instance, here you can see the WebinarJam tag has been assigned, or alternatively, you can click on the person's name to find the tag. Thank you.